Andito na naman tayo sa nagbabagang showbiz balita. Panoorin natin ang video ni Ellen Adarna kung saan ay ibinulgar niya na binilihan siya ng mamahaling sasakyan ni Derek pero siya ang pinabayad ng shop service. Panoorin natin ang video ni Ellen. Nag-upload si Ellen Adarna sa kanyang IG story kung saan ibinahagi niya sa kanyang mga fans ang mga naganap sa kanyang buhay. Isa na dito ang pagsawalat ni Ellen na binilan siya ng mamahaling sasakyan ni Derek noon at minsan lang niya ito na drive dahil hindi daw siya mahilig sa mga mamahaling sasakyan. Nakapagmaneho lang daw siya dahil ipinasok niya ito sa kanilang subdivision. Ayon pa ni Ellen ay ibebenta daw ni Ellen ang luxury car at ilalagay sa trust fund ng kanya baby na si Lely. Panoorin natin ang video ni Ellen sa kanyang chika sa kanyang IG story at huwag kalimutang maglagay ng iyong komento sa video na ito.
So I can take her to the food park. I believe in mother's love. A mother's love is the highest form of love. Cheating, may it be emotional cheating, micro cheating, digital infidelity, texting, no. All my bags are packed, ready to go. I'm always calm. I've always been calm. And if it as my friends and my nannies who's been there with me in my past relationships, I am not a shouting type. So, yun na. Diba? Nasa tuwan, sa nainig-ngon ako nga, why am I recording daw without his consent? Why did I give him consent to shout at me? Kung di ka ganahan ma-record, hindi. Kaya pag sagit-sagit. It's my only way to protect myself. Babae, di ako. Diba? Kasi, hadlo kay dahil, what if nimi tabo? Laki, kusog, kusgan ba yung laki? So, unsa man imuhang about, diba? So, yun na. Kung dili ka ganahan, mabidyohan kasi yung kabuang, di ayaw pagbuang-buang. Pagtarong og storya. Para na simple. And I did not grow up in an environment na my father and my mom fighting, shouting at each other. No, I never heard my father shouting at my mom. So, akong childhood with my parents, like, peaceful and calm. My father was a very calm person. So, when I hear shouting, it's not okay. It's not okay for me. It's not normal for me. It's not normal. But I have friends who grew up in an environment na ang parents pagsigig-away. So, that kind of situation, shouting, fighting, is normal. So, but me, no. I had a peaceful childhood with my parents. More na, at least I can say, I tried, been there, done that. There's no point. It's just paper. And if you check and research about why marriage exists, the history of it, I'll screenshot and you can dive deeper into it. So, of course, I did my research. Like, why? Unsa man din niya, pakasal pa man taon ko. So, may research ko. So, mga dito. Of course, maski hindi ko mo drive any day. I drove it once ever in my life when it arrived inside the village, but I never used it. So, I don't like driving and I don't like expensive cars. It's a liability. So, yeah, of course, kahit pa lang yung passenger princess lahi na. Pupunta. Ako yung baligya ang butang sa trust fund yan. So, funny story, no? Ganito, itong pagkuha na ako sa bangki. Yan, yan, boy. Ay, ma'am, may babayaran, kunin mo lang sa kasa. May babayaran kasi pinaservice ni sir. Okay. Kanya, gikuha naman siyang boy. So, nakunin ko sa kasa. Karon, pagkuha na ko sa balay, waray 1 hour. Dikat siyang boy, ma'am, i-deposit mo na lang sa account ni sir D with the bill for the second time. Sandan ko bilo for the second time. So, okay. So, nitawag ko sa iyang mga ex-friends ko. Ex-friends na din niya. Ang gichikan huy ako, di pa bayad. sa service, nga 65,000 na, binuko billionaire ni inyong minggo. But anyway, matong chika. Okay, mabayad ko with it. Nabisi lang ko this weekend moving in. But wait lang. Ay, sobrang peaceful na ng life ni Gali. As in, hi Gal, see you soon. Do they feed me? Do these bashers feed me? Do they pay for my bills? No. No. I'm a shorty. 5'1". Sa mga walang alam, now malalaman mo na. That neighbor was a pogo. P-O-G-O, pogo. Okay? Oh. Do we want pogos? Are they welcome here? No. At the time, we couldn't talk about it because we're still there. But nawala na sila kasi pinaalis na. So, ano na yung mga daming hanash. Ngayon, alam na pogo. Sige daw. Okay. Day, 15 days lang yung restraining order, tapos na yung restraining order ni Dan. Okay? Ano gusto niyo ng resibo? She's still alive! Who said? Buhay pa pala yun. May niniwala pa doon. Christy Verman. Well, can't blame her. Close yun sila eh. Yes. The only times din na hindi yan nakapunta is when he's abroad or he has work. But he's always present sa mga at maliit na he's there. Si Jessa din nagbakasyon. Ulis daan bantayan. So, 1 month siya nagbakasyon. Sana all. Mas taas pa siyang bakasyon ako. Hoy, Jessa. Hindi na. Kataunon siya dahil buwan din yung natawa at niya sa una to. You're not allowed. Teacher Ryan, you're not allowed in the house. You cannot go inside. Yung alihan yung door. Sa tapo. Palusot na siya. My tummy hurts. I'm not sure. Sige, tawagan ako imong mama. If your tummy hurts, no, it's okay na di. It's okay na. I feel okay na. It's okay na. Hindi siya gumapalusot. Teacher Ryan, you know what? My mama is selling the piano now, so we don't have to come back. But he was only 5. He was a child, a baby. Now that he's 7, he's accepted it, and it's accepted that it's part of his life.
For more showbiz updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.